such good light in here, which is so nice probably when you're working and stuff, because it's like it's just so allows you to be artistic. Anytime there's a low roof or it's dark, the struggle is real. Seriously.
Yeah, well, I'm thinking about getting shades.
So that you have the option.
So that I can totally, black it out.
If you need to. Light painting and stuff?
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know about that.
Some people have been taking that to a different level lately.
Yeah.
I had one guy do it, and he was excited, and I thought, I'll totally do it. It's fun. And what he did with it, it looked good. He layered things, so piled and put together. I ended up with a dress.
Remember the milk dresses?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty
Did you ever try it?
No, I never did. I thought about it, but it's like, that's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work. They did a lot of water dresses too, because I think
water and the milk. I think the milk came first.
I guess now with AI, you can just tell it to change the color, but you can make it a paint dress if you wanted.
Yeah.
Man, some idiot out there that would really think it was paint.
Yeah.
You'd be like, no, it was water, and then I told AI to do this.